Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something really special for all of you who are looking for a sleek, practical solution for mounting your media devices behind your TV. We are talking about the mounted cable box mount behind TV, which I'm proud to say is the best cable box behind TV wall mount available right now. If you've been struggling with keeping your entertainment area organized, this is the mount you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the details. First off, the mounted cable box mount is incredibly versatile. It's designed to work with a wide range of devices, including cable boxes, modems, routers, gaming consoles, and streaming devices like Apple TV and Roku. Whether you're a gamer or someone who just loves to stream, this mount helps you hide all those cables and boxes, making your entertainment setup look clean and clutter-free. One of the standout features of this product is its adjustable width. The mount can accommodate devices with a width between 1.75 and 2.75 inches, which means it will securely hold your device in place, whether it's a small streaming box or a slightly larger router. The cradle itself is 5 inches wide and 5 inches high, ensuring a firm and stable grip on your device. Plus, there's an additional metal plate that gives you the flexibility to install the mount either horizontally or vertically, depending on your space. Another great thing about this mount is its compatibility. It's perfect for hiding your cable box or streaming device behind your TV or on the wall. Not only does this reduce the mess of cables, but your remote controls will still work, thanks to the thoughtful design that doesn't block infrared signals. You can easily install it to a wall, behind the TV, or even to a TV wall mount. The mounted cable box mount is made of heavy-duty steel, which gives it a robust feel and ensures durability. It has a weight capacity of up to 11 pounds, so it can securely hold even the heavier devices. This mount is built to last and will outlast several generations of devices. Whether you're upgrading your tech or simply organizing your current setup, this mount is built to stand the test of time. Installing the mount is a breeze as well. All the required hardware is included, and you can have it set up within minutes. Whether you're mounting it on the wall or behind your TV, the process is straightforward, making it a hassle-free addition to your home entertainment setup. In conclusion, the mounted cable box mount behind TV is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to keep their entertainment area organized and free from the chaos of cables and boxes. With its adjustable design, heavy-duty steel construction, and simple installation process, it's no wonder this is considered the best cable box behind TV wall mount. If you want to improve the look of your home entertainment setup and enjoy a cleaner, more organized space, this mount is a must-have. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and helpful tips. We'll see you in the next video.